So now let's talk about electrodes. You've got size electrodes for each size aerospace fastener from 3/32 to 7/16, including first and second oversize. The size is indicated by the color of the label. It also says EDK0208-0. That means this is a 1/4 inch or a size 8 nominal. Again, it says size -8 nominal fastener there. On the 10, you'll notice there's a difference. The color is different, and obviously the name of the electrode itself is different. All of our electrodes are also laser etched on the side to give you that secondary check before installing and going to work. The guides and the electrode boxes will have a corresponding color. So a size 10 guide is going to be red, just like the box of electrodes. A size 8 guide is going to be black, just like this colored box of electrodes. All first oversized guides are white in color, and all second oversized guides are turquoise in color. There is a 5-step guide to successful fastener removal sheet located in your toolbox that will lay all this out for you. You can double check and make sure you have the right tools installed. All of our electrodes are sized 30 thousandths in diameter less than the actual fastener you're cutting. So a 1/4 inch, size 8 is 250 thou. Our electrode is actually 220. The reason for that is we want to give a 15 thou radial wall all around the circumference of the fastener we're cutting. That is going to keep everything inside the fastener and prevent you from causing any damage to the surface or skin. One last little piece of advice is when you're looking at the electrode, make sure that the top here is nice and flat. Sometimes on different style fasteners like your Joe bolts, or if you're cutting collar, you'll start to see some uneven wear at the tip of the electrode. To bring this back to flat, just take either your electrode dressing tool or just a file and give it a nice dressing and get that back to flush. That's going to prevent any variation in the depth from one side of the fastener to the other side of the fastener.